Howdy, this is our MXET 300 final project proposal. I'm Jairo Lopez.
I'm Anaya Nagaraju.
Matthew Manginelli.
Valeria Quintero.
This is our project mission. Our project will be a tool dispensing system. It will autonomously dispense a tool and go to a set location and avoid any obstacles that are in the way. The best module will consist of the scuttle using a LiDAR module, and it will perform object detection. It will be given a set destination using Node-RED that should autonomously find its way there and avoid any obstacles in the way. The secondary module will be the tool dispensing system. So the user could use Node-RED to select a tool and the destination where it wants the tool dispense, and uh, the scuttle will find its way there autonomously and avoid any objects that are in the way.
So this is our timeline and work distribution. So for our general timeline, in week one, which is right now, we're going to develop ideas, finalize plans, and submit our project proposal. On week two, we're going to develop the base module for the robots by combining codes from previous labs. On week three, we're going to work on the secondary module, where we'll begin modeling and printing the dispensary module and begin working on creating Node-RED flows. On week four, we're going to connect the motors and printed parts to the scuttle and begin testing on the secondary module. And we're also going to begin working on the final report for the project. And finally, on week five, we're going to combine all the different systems and flows and do vigorous testing on the entire system. By the end of the fourth week, the scuttle should be ready for demonstration, and the final report should be ready to submit.
So for the individual timeline, the first week we worked on the proposal for this project. For the next week, we're going to be working on deciding which parts we need, any research on components and modules that will be needed for this project. For week three, I will be developing any Node-RED flows and system integrations. Matthew will be working on modeling the secondary module and the LiDAR coding. Kado will be developing the base model to enable autonomous navigation, and then Nanya will code the secondary module and connect it to the scuttle. For the fourth week, we're gonna finalize and test the program, as well as finalizing the base and the secondary module, as well as implementation. And for week five, we would just assemble all the different parts and begin testing for 'em.
The expected outcome of this project, it is to have a working scuttle robot that successfully navigates to a set location using the LiDAR module on the robot. The system should accurately dispense the tool selected using the Node-RED. This will be through actuation of a servo motor. And then make sure that everything's working with Node-RED